Naghahanap ka ba ng property na within Metro Manila, walking distance sa SM City Caloocan and Sports Complex at along the road pa? Dito lang yan sa Bagumbong North, Caloocan. Kuzur Townhouse is an ideal home for new beginnings. If you're looking for a property that affordable and suit to your budget, then this Kuzur unit is for you. Meron siyang 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, service area, and 1 car garage. Lot area is 56 square meter and floor area is 56.20 square meter. Alam mo ba na you can reserve this Kuzur unit for as low as 20,000 pesos. Ang maganda sa project na to, upon turnover, pwede ka na mag-modify agad ng unit mo. Kaya naman, kung naghahanap ka ng property dito sa Metro Manila, huwag ka na magpahuli, baka maubusan ka. Message mo na kami sa aming FB page at Quality Homes Manila. Tara, tripping na! Ia-assist ka namin para sa dream home mo. Thank you and God